In this session, we have assembled all part of flange coupling. Okay, let's start. Select assembling flange assembly. Okay, choose first part and put it here. Choose mat command. Before you have to choose mat, you have to float it. After that, you have to choose mat. You have to open this part and choose assembly front plane to is part front plane and make it collinear. Yeah, overlap. Choose top plane. Again choose top plane. Okay. Choose right plane. Choose right plane. Okay. That's fine. It fixed. After that you have to insert other component as well. Nut and bolt. Okay. That's fine. You can copy with help of control and drag it like this. You can copy the part. Choose mat command. Choose this axis and this axis collinear and flip outside. Okay. Choose this hole and this hole collinear. Choose this face and this face. Choose this and this. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You have to choose this face. Again you have to choose this face. Okay. You have to choose this. No, clear it. You have to choose this. So after that you have to select it. Okay. You can choose this plane. After that this plane. Okay. Okay. With the help of control and drag, you can copy this nut again Okay, that's fine. Choose mat command. Choose this. No. Clear it. Choose this. No. Clear it. You have to choose like this. Select like this and choose like choose this. Okay, then okay. You have to select this face. After that, this face. You have to now you can rotate it easily, but you have to select mat command, this face and this face. Then press OK. You have to select this face and this face and OK. The flange coupling assembly has been finished. If you want some more update, then please subscribe my channel and press bell notification. If you liked the video, please press like. Thank you.